London is one of the most expensive cities in the world to buy property. But what exactly does that money get you? Today we're looking at 6 very different homes, from the smallest and cheapest to some of the city's most impressive residences. Let's begin with one of the cheapest homes currently for sale in London. For just £39,000 you can acquire this small houseboat in Chelsea Harbour. It offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Moored in the calm, secure waters of Chelsea Harbour, this Italian-designed flybridge motor yacht presents a rare opportunity to live in one of the wealthiest parts of London, surrounded by luxury apartments worth millions. For those seeking a refined yet characterful way of living, whether as a full-time residence or a London base, this yacht offers a rare blend of architectural integrity, lifestyle ease, and prime location. Next we have a ground-floor modest studio flat for sale. The asking price is £200,000. It offers 1 bathroom and has a total habitable size of 23 square meters. Boasting a prime location, this studio is in need of modernization. This property is a leasehold, however there are approximately 107 years remaining. This studio may be small, but its location makes it stand out. Next we have a large, beautifully presented family home. It offers 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and is on the market for £1 million. With 2,420 square feet of living space, this property also offers a beautifully landscaped garden with a garden office at the back. With generous interiors, landscaped gardens, and a prime position backing onto parkland, this is an exceptional family home. With a large increase in value, this wonderful detached house is on the market for £10 million. It offers 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This detached home, known as River House, offers over 7,200 square feet of beautifully renovated living space on a generous plot in Richmond. Set behind secure gates, the property combines elegant interiors with direct access to the exclusive river grounds, offering sweeping views of the Thames and Old Deer Park. The landscaped garden provides multiple entertaining areas and private access to acres of residents-only grounds. With direct river access, stunning grounds, and a prime Richmond location, River House is the perfect balance of space, privacy, and city living. From riverside elegance, we move on to our next London home. This Mayfair residence on Mount Street offers 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The current asking price is £20 million. This is one of only a handful of properties with its own private entrance on the prestigious Mount Street. Large floor-to-ceiling windows fill the home with natural light, while a lift connects the main levels. The apartment directly backs onto Mount Street Gardens, providing unique tranquility in one of London's most prestigious locations. Surrounded by designer boutiques, world-class restaurants, private clubs, and within walking distance of Hyde Park, this property epitomizes central London luxury. From the sophistication of Mayfair, we move on to our final property, one of the most exclusive homes currently for sale in the city. A quite exceptional newly built gated mansion, moments from Kenwood Park, located on a secure and private road by Hampstead Golf Club. This palatial residence is on the market for £50 million. It offers 9 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. Totaling nearly 2,780 square meters across 4 floors, complete with spa and pool, cinema, wine room, reception and entertainment space, expansive grounds, separate staff quarters and parking with garages. Located at the bottom of this private and secure road, occupying what is unquestionably the most desirable plot in the area. The attention to detail externally and internally is second to none. A rare example of scale, craftsmanship, and privacy, this Hampstead estate sets the standard for London's ultra-prime market. And that completes our journey through London's property market, from the smallest to the grandest. For more information on any of the featured properties, please see the property listings in the description below. Thank you for watching.